Arugam Bay, Sri Lanka's surfing paradise and nature's haven island. Insight Special. This special feature from Iceland Insight brings you to Arugam Bay, located on the eastern coast of Sri Lanka. It is not just another beach, it is a dream destination for surfing enthusiasts and travelers worldwide. This small town, quiet for most of the year, comes alive with international surfers and tourists from May to September. Even in 2024, Arugam Bay was recognized among the world's best surfing spots, gaining international attention for its unique waves and relaxed atmosphere. In this article, we will explore the hidden beauty of Arugam Bay and all the experiences a traveler can have. A guide for surfing enthusiasts. Arugam Bay's waves cater to surfers of various skill levels. Here are some main spots you can choose from based on your expertise. Main Point. For advanced surfers, the Main Point offers long waves reaching 4 to 10 feet, ideal for professional surfers seeking a challenge. Whisky Point. If you are a beginner or an intermediate surfer, Whisky Point provides safer waves, perfect for learning to surf and honing your skills. Peanut Farm. A beautiful and tranquil spot, slightly away from the main town, suitable for all levels of surfers. But Baby Point. For those trying surfing for the first time, Baby Point offers small waves, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The waves here are most exciting from April to October, attracting tourists from all over the world. This period is considered the best time for surfing in Arugam Bay. Exploring nature beyond surfing. Arugam Bay is not just limited to surfing. For travelers seeking beach, beauty, and wildlife experiences, there are many unique places to visit nearby. 1. Kumana National Park. Located about an hour's drive from Arugam Bay, this is a paradise for wildlife lovers. It's an excellent place to spot leopards, elephants, and various bird species. Here you can experience true Sri Lankan wildlife. 2. Panama. Situated about 12 kilometers south of Arugam Bay, Panama features tanks where you can observe crocodiles and beautiful beaches. It's an ideal spot for photography and connecting with nature. 3. Lahugala Kithulana National Park. This is one of Sri Lanka's smallest yet most important national parks, where you can see large herds of elephants. It's a great opportunity to observe elephant migration patterns. 4. Magil Mahaviharya. Located near Lahugala National Park, this historically significant temple is believed to be the site where King Kavantissa and Queen Vihara Mahadevi were married. It's an excellent place to learn about Sri Lankan history and culture. 5. Elephant Rock. A popular spot to watch the sunset and enjoy panoramic views of the entire coastline from above. It offers a stunning backdrop for photography enthusiasts. 6. Muhudu Mahavihara. This historically valuable temple offers a picturesque sea view and a unique cultural experience. The Arugam Bay vibe. What makes Arugam Bay unique is its relaxed vibe. The cafes, restaurants, and night parties along the beach offer an unforgettable experience for tourists. The local culture and tourist culture blend beautifully here. Essential information for foreign travelers. These points will be helpful when planning your trip. Best time to visit. From May to September, the weather and waves are at their best. This period is most suitable for surfing and other beach activities. Transportation. Tuk-tuks are the most convenient way to get around Arugam Bay. A ride within the town might cost between 300 to 500 LKR, while trips to distant surfing spots could range from 1,500 to 2,500 LKR. You can reach Arugam Bay from Colombo by private vehicle or overnight bus. Money and banks. While ATM facilities are limited in Arugam Bay town, the nearby Pottyville town has ATM facilities at banks like Bank of Ceylon, People's Bank, and Sampath Bank, which are open for any international card. Currency exchange facilities are also available in Pottyville town. Internet. Many hotels and cafes offer free Wi-Fi. Getting a Dialog or Mobitel SIM card is more reliable. This will help you stay connected to the internet during your trip. Food. Cafes along the beach offer Western-style food as well as local rice and curry and fresh seafood at very reasonable prices. Tasting local food is an essential part of the Arugam Bay experience. Pro tips for foreigners. 1. Cultural respect. When visiting temples and religious sites, ensure your shoulders and knees are covered. Dressing modestly when walking around town outside the beach area is a sign of respect for the local culture. 2. Safety. Arugam Bay is generally a very safe place. However, be cautious when walking in isolated areas at night and when swimming in the sea. Always be aware of your surroundings. 3. Health. Drink plenty of water and use sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. For urgent medical attention, you can refer to Pottyville Hospital or private clinics. 4. Environmental protection. Please avoid littering plastics and other waste on the beach or in the sea. Let's preserve the beauty of Arugam Bay for future generations. Island Insight Recommendation: Arugam Bay is not just a surfing destination, it is a true paradise, rich in natural beauty, cultural heritage, and friendly people. If you are a traveler who loves nature, seeks freedom amidst blue waves on sandy beaches, and enjoys cultural experiences, then Arugam Bay should be your next travel destination. As Island Insight, we wish you a wonderful experience in Arugam Bay.